Let's quickly open this up. Priyanka Tibrewal joining us, lawyer Shehzad Poonawalla, MC Abbas, Deepa Ishwar. Shehzad, let's begin with you. What do you make of the investigation today by the NCB, the interrogation of all these people?
Pranesh, first of all, let's be very clear. Today is not a trial day. It's a day of investigation. Therefore, the admissibility of these WhatsApp chats or the other evidences, their evidentiary value in court of law is not in question. Yes, the agencies can use the chats shown by Times Now, whether it's the Riya Shavik chat or whether it is the Jayasa and other chats or the chats of the employees of Quant with people like Deepika Padukone. These chats can be used to further the investigation which is happening at this particular stage. The NCB has become an epicenter where the entire A-list of Bollywood is going and giving their hazari, and the question is कि अब की बारी Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and Swachh Bollywood Abhiyan होगा क्या? The real question that needs to be asked is, why did the Mumbai police not allow this cleanup to happen? Why is certain sections of Bollywood still doing a cover-up job, saying that please don't target us, this is a witch hunt, this is a nobody said that anybody is an accused, nobody said that anybody is guilty. All we are saying is that if there is a subculture of drugs prevalent in Bollywood, it affects the young generation. Please come out and become clean about it. But then when Kangana Ranauts of the world, the Raveena Tandons of the world raise their voice about it, you have the likes of MC Abbas and his ilk represented in parliament and outside that will go and smash a hammer of asatya on these people who raise their voice against this subculture of drugs.
Now,
Today
MC
these
Abbas,
people should accept
MC Abbas,
Bollywood
now, there is a section that has come together to fight patriarchy, but why are they shying away from taking a stand against the drug mafia?
Pranesh Sahab, certainly I agree with my friend here, Shehzad Poonawalla, that there is duplicity, there is hypocrisy, and not just from one selective end, also from the end of Kangana Ranaut, who herself has admitted to consuming drugs, and also Adhyan Suman has alleged that she has forced him into drugs. So I think I'm sure there will be a summon, and Kangana Ranaut is liable to her questioning by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Now coming to Deepika Padukone, Shraddha Kapoor, and of course Sara Ali Khan today, this is quite an investigation which has been baffling to the end. It started off with CBI Justice for Sushant, and there was Kangana Ranaut who was able to bring the hashtag Justice for Sushant to hashtag Justice for Kangana. So there are a lot of people who are gaining attention for their own respective needs, whereas her mother joined the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Attacking
and
Kangana,
Kangana,
can you ask the question?
Let me tell you, we all know that
Abbas,
the Bihar elections are coming up, and how Sushant Singh Rajput is being used as a pawn.
Oh my God!
Sushant Singh Rajput's picture at the Bihar Pradesh Bharatiya Janata Party campaign used again and again. Is
Abbas,
it fair? Why is there no dignity
Abbas,
in death?
you will now have to...
Yeah, Shehzad,
Abbas,
respond.
just a small counter. First of all, I know you have a personal angst. Against Kangana, but if Mumbai police could investigate Adhyan Suman's old statement against Kangana, they couldn't investigate the Karan Johar video. And today the adharma of drugs has come out, but it's your dharma to be quiet about it. Who is Kshitij Prasad? I am not saying Karan Johar is a drug addict or anything of those thoughts, but there is an adharma of drugs, and your dharma, your fraternity's dharma, इस केस पे चुप रहो. पूरा खानदान खामोश है. खानदान खामोश है. बॉलीवुड का खानदान कहाँ है आज? क्यों ट्वीट नहीं हो रहा? Where is Amir Khan? Why is he not tweeting about Deepika Padukone's so-called DP? Drug problem, not depression problem.
Okay, quick response to Shehzad bhai. So when 2017 drug chats of Deepika Padukone could be interrogated, why not Kangana Ranaut? Even if it was 2012 or 2013, everybody is liable to it, sir. She has consumed it, therefore she is answerable.
Okay,
to it.
Deepa Ishwar, do you believe the agency is being selective here, that this is a selective crackdown?
Absolutely. I agree that we are all against drugs. Please do not see this panel as two people for drugs and two people against drugs. It's just people against media trial and people for media trial. That's the way I would like to
media
say.
Trial?
Because if you look at it, this is absolutely...
No. Where is the media trial in all of this? Miss Ishwar, where is the media trial? No, I'm sorry, but please explain. Where is the media trial in all of this? We are only putting out information. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, calm down first of all. Where is the media trial bit, please? Talk responsibly, ma'am, please. This is no media trial. We are only reporting what's happening.
No, absolutely not. You are actually, if that is the case, you should also report the fact that
Thank the media. You should thank the media for this exposure.
No, if you're not going to let me speak, then I don't see your point.
Please, make your point.
Right
Make your point.
On Kangana's Instagram handle very clearly that she was a drug addict. Now, and there are one section of the media who says that she was pushed into it. She was a minor. Fine, agreed.
God.
All the more reasons to summon her. All the more reasons
Ma'am,
to find
what
out
has
who
the
is
media
behind
got
it.
to
Is it
do
not?
with it? Miss
Exactly.
Ishwar, what's the media got to do with it?
Question. So what is media got to do with Deepika Padukone being questioned? The media has also got to bring Kangana's name also.
Have we summoned Deepika Padukone? Did we summon Deepika Padukone? I think you've got it completely wrong here, Miss Ishwar.
I got it completely right here. The media trial that I'm talking about is
Ma'am,
only dragging of
can I come in?
into the whole.
We are not dragging people, ma'am. 1 minute. We are not dragging people. Let's get facts on the. No, 1 minute. Let me first put the facts on the table. Listen, Miss Ishwar, I understand where you're coming from, but
Right.
let's put the facts on the table. We are not in the business of dragging people. We are only reporting what is happening, and Times Now has been leading the investigation, and everything that was broken in this channel has been confirmed by the agency.
Understood. So why are you not questioning, not summoning?
And the court-
We are not
And
in
the
the
court-
business of questioning, ma'am. I can't summon Kangana Ranaut. That
Madam-
is for the NCB to do. And we are asking those
Madam,
questions of
Miss
the
Ishwar,
NCB that
Miss
is this
Ishwar,
selective
please
action?
understand.
Are some people targeted? Are some people being targeted? We are asking all of that question. Now, I can't send
Or
an
Sara
email
Ali
to Kangana
Khan.
Ranaut that please appear on my show. I have 10 questions for you. I can't do that.
Yes.
Priyanka Tibrewal.
No. See,
Yeah,
what
she
you're
has
saying-
she
what
has to
you're saying-
understand, ma'am. Miss Ishwar, I guess it's my name. Let me respond, please. So you got to understand that it is not the media who has issued these summons to Deepika Padukone or Sara Ali Khan. And first of all, we are actually thankful to the media for the first time because this dirt was never exposed. I don't know what is so big about
Yeah.
the Bollywood that nobody wanted to
No,
speak about this
we are all
earlier.
thankful to media for
Even a
exposing the
complaint,
whole dirt and the whole
written
mess, but I'm
complaint,
just saying it
please do
should
not
be
interfere. I
posted.
didn't when you were
Okay.
speaking. Even a written complaint was filed by the MLA, then the police did not feel that they should investigate because it was the biggies of Bollywood and nobody spoke anything. And
Yes.
now that these things are coming up and investigation
Yes.
is going on, well, I am not saying that they'll be punished or they should be punished. But you see, first and foremost, if anyone has wronged the law of the country or the land, law is equal for everyone. And if found guilty, they will be
And
punished.
we are not passing judgments here. We are not in the business of doing
Yes.
that. I think
And
we'll have to take. Shehzad, allow me to take a small break. Prime Minister Modi also likely to address the UNGA in some time from now. A short break on Times Now. We return in just a bit. Welcome back, Shehzad. Do you believe what is going on is a media trial?
After hearing the arguments of Ms. Ishwar, I can only say, hey Ishwar, has the courts also fallen for a media trial when they sent the dear Riya and Shavik to jail? You all were defending Riya and Shavik as if they were the most victimized people in this country. But on Times Now we showed their drug chats. Then after that, is it a media trial when NCB? 1 second, madam, you
Let
and
me
Rahul are
respond.
such
Ms.
nice
Ishwar,
people.
I'll come
Don't
back to
interrupt
you.
me.
You've
Now,
raised
this
the
is a
point.
trial.
He's only
this
answering.
This is a trial of the panelist. Miss Ishwar, come on. I'm answering your question.
Okay, sure.
You all play this media trial card so selectively. You all say, oh, our privacy is under threat. I mean, you're the same people who did sting operations till yesterday. I'm talking about certain channels that nobody wants to watch. I'm talking about those journalists who were happy to put out WhatsApp chats of others, but are today cribbing about this. I'm talking about that entire lobby comes up with one after the other ridiculous arguments. Oh, we're talking about feminism rights. But what about those rights for Kangana Ranaut? Madam, all the one question I want to ask you, if all of this was fake, why would the NCB summon these people today? There is confrontation, there is hard evidence, they are being grilled, they are being asked. We are not saying they're guilty, but they have a lot to answer for. This entire generation of young people looks up to them as their icons.
Quick response, Miss Ishwar,
Don't they have
go
any
ahead.
accountability and answerability?
Let her speak, Shehzad, let her speak.
First of all, Shehzad ji, we never said that this is all fake. So please do not put words into our mouth. What we said is, this is fine. We are all for cleanup. Two things. One, this is not the way to do cleanup. I think there is a lot of selectivity happening here. The names that are being chosen by the media itself. I have a problem with the media here because I feel the media is not fairly putting across facts. There is a clear evidence out there on somebody's Instagram handle that she
your
has
problem
herself
is
said that she was a drug addict, but nobody is
Pranesh is
talking
your
about
problem,
it.
not
That's one.
drugs.
Second thing I'm
Pranesh,
saying is that
आपकी
why
दिक्कत
did you say
है।
Riya Chakrabarti? No, let me please
Pranesh,
take the fact,
Navika,
please.
Rahul, ये
Why-
दिक्कत है।
why
drugs
blame
की
the
दिक्कत नहीं
messenger,
है,
ma'am?
ठीक है।
Why
MD
blame
होना चाहिए।
Miss Ishwar? Why gun for the media? Why blame the messenger? Miss Ishwar, why blame the messenger? Allow me to take a break, a short break. We return to this. You're watching Times Now.